ಈ ಅಪ್ಲಯನ್ಸಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಿಚನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನದ ಮನೇಲಿದೆ? ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಅಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆಲ್ ನೋನ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನೇಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿನೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ABC ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿತಾರೆ.
reminding and requesting you all അതാത് പൊസിഷനിൽ ചെന്ന് നിൽക്കുന്നത്. ഓൾ പാർട്ടിസിപ്പൻസിനെ കൂടെ നമുക്ക് ഒരാൾ മാത്രമേ കമ്പനി ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. ബാക്കി എല്ലാവരും പുറത്ത് റിക്വസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്. Once again, reminding everyone, we'll be starting the event within the next few. Please take your position and be ready to start this record-breaking.
You have to kindly go behind zone so that it will not affect the formal.
All the audiences, all our. So, what's in store? And I know I will not bore you. I will quickly finish off and move because I can go there. Actually, at Preethi, we always believe that consumer is at the center of whatsoever we do. And our endeavor is to bring lot more convenience, lot more comfort and lot more performance to everyday cooking needs. And that's why we developed Zodiac. And I proudly share with you that we have more than 1 billion happy Zodiac consumers who are enjoying grinding, mixing every grinder brick in a mixer grinder, which is just to showcase the toughness of the mixer grinder. So with that, I welcome all my influencer friends, and I would, actually share my best wishes to them for the contest that we have, because we are very, very confident about the machine that you have in your hand. And I will not take more time. I will wish all of you all the very best, and I would like to showcase.
So once we ground all these items, this will enter our TV.
Ready?
So when we say the last countdown of 1, we're gonna start. And 1, come on everybody, let's start this. After the outcome, let's check this out. There we have a lot of hard materials, as I mentioned. We have stone, sign, plastic cap, nutmeg, bulb, and a lot more brick, a lot more guys. So let's check this out, how it's going to be grounded. Let's see the outcome. Going to be Asian World Record milestone. So you are all being, let's check this out. We're going to have the evaluation from Asian World telecasted right here on the LED screen. So let's check this out, guys. So ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಗ್ರೈಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್